So today we're going to be looking at fiber and all the cons of it. Because everyone's told to eat more fiber, you get better gut health, better digestion, which somehow correlates to lower cancer risk. That's like the overall consensus, right? But there's a big problem, which is this study that shows the exact opposite. So first of all, fiber is indigestible plant material. Your body cannot break it down. There's no enzymes in the human digestive system that can process cellulose. So what does it actually do in there? Here is the call-in. Fiber comes in, which are these little squares, and it cannot be digested, so it just sits there. The first problem is that fiber is physically blocking the enzyme access to the nutrition around it. Enzymes are trying to break down and absorb what you ate, and fiber is getting in the way. Something crazy too is that this absorption decrease is about 30%. So you eat a nutrient-dense meal and the fiber is pretty much reducing how much of it you actually absorb, showing that that's not a healthy food, that's simply an anti-nutrient. Here we have a second problem, which is that fiber isn't blocking absorption, it's fermenting. Bacteria in your colon feed on it, and here's what is getting produced. You're going to get a bit of butyrate and propanoate, which are short-chain fatty acid, and the fiber industry loves to talk about these, but they're not mentioning the bigger problem, aldehydes, the same toxic compound produced by seed oils in oxidation. Additionally to this aldehydes, there's ethanol and alcohol in your colon, simply from broccoli. And the butyrate argument collapses anyways, simply because you're getting more butyrate from a small tablespoon of butter than a day's worth of fiber. Next, we have this very significant study that no one can seem to remember. So 63 patients with chronic digestive problems were divided into 3 groups with normal fiber intake, reduced fiber intake, and zero fiber. And guess what? The zero fiber group had 100% resolution of all their symptoms in every single patient, while the normal fiber group had 0 improvements. This was a controlled intervention, not a questionnaire, not a survey. They removed fiber and the problem went away every single time. Here is our last section. So essential processes that require fiber. Wait, I can't name any. There's not one that requires dietary fiber, not one that might slightly help it at all, and not one that can happen without it. Every single essential function, like digestion, immune response, hormone production, happens fine or even better without fiber in the picture. This recommendation to eat more fiber has no mechanical bias. It's not a nutrient. It is an indigestible plant material that blocks absorption, ferments into toxic compounds, and when removed from the diet, resolves the exact problems it was supposed to prevent. I'll see you guys in the next one.